Welcome, celestial explorers. Today, we're delving into the biggest mystery in astrophysics, fast radio bursts. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are elusive cosmic signals that have perplexed scientists for years. They flash for just a millisecond, yet in that fleeting moment, they release more energy than the sun does in 80 years. First spotted in 2007, these ghostly echoes from space have been detected all across the sky, yet their origin remains an enigma. Are they the hiccups of neutron stars, or echoes from cosmic collisions, or is it something far more mind-boggling waiting to be decoded? Each FRB flickers in weird patterns, leaving celestial cryptographers puzzled as they try decoding these cosmic whispers. Currently, over 500 FRBs have been detected, flashing from every corner of the universe, yet we've only managed to trace a couple back to their home galaxy. One particularly oddball FRB, dubbed the repeater, offers an even wider scope for cosmic puzzles. Unlike most FRBs that flash once and vanish, this signal blazes again and again, like an interstellar lighthouse. But even with recurring signals, the source remains elusive. Are they really indicators of energetic cosmic events or signs of advanced extraterrestrial technology? With every flickering signal, we're a step closer to deciphering these celestial mysteries. Every FRB discovered lends more pages to the universe's encrypted book. Efforts are underway to capture more of these transients, and new telescopes are being commissioned with the specific purpose of FRB hunting. With advancements in detection technology, we might soon have enough data to interpret these cosmic codes. Imagine if we could decode these signals and reveal what message the universe has been trying to whisper to us. The universe is full of mysteries, and one of the most exciting parts about astrophysics is that we still have so much to discover, so much to learn. As we explore the uncharted corners of our cosmos, perhaps these FRBs are the universe's method of sparking our curiosity further, pushing us to unravel its cryptic whisper. On the quest for understanding, we've utilized the sharpest of human intellect, coupled with the most advanced technologies, from paper maps under the open sky to GPS modules operating from space. Our journey in decoding cosmic messages has made incredible strides. Fast radio bursts pose equally fast challenges. Their transient nature makes them almost spectral, as though they linger just out of reach. Each burst, a priceless gem in the universe's crown of mysteries, has its own unique fingerprint, unlike any other recorded signal. When analyzed, these unique patterns could hold answers to origin theories, from supermassive black holes to magnetars and cosmic strings. These enigmatic signals could also play a crucial role in our understanding of the universe's structural blueprint. Cosmic Shambhala, as dubbed by some astronomers, is the hypothetical model where these radio signals may be carving paths in the cosmos fabric. Probes sent into these paths could unlock data about the universe's matter distribution, helping validate theories from dark matter to cosmic inflation. Deciphering FRBs is also deepening our understanding of radio astronomy and unlocking new methods of observing our universe. While we've made leaps in the technology to detect and analyze these radio bursts, the codes within remain as enigmatic as ever. It's an ongoing cosmic detective story. Yet, with each elusive signal, we're unraveling a bit more about our incredible universe and our place within it. The signals are brief, but echo the celestial tales of distant cosmic events that once roared throughout the universe. Turning their echoes into discernible messages is surely one of mankind's most daunting yet fascinating endeavors. The message wrapped within these cosmic whispers, whether a call from celestial bodies or perhaps extraterrestrial, awaits on our intellectual shores to be unraveled. And while we've yet to crack the code, the journey has been an enlightening one, pushing the limits of our curiosity and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this celestial trip to unravel the universe's cryptic whispers, the fast radio bursts,